Welcome back to Britton Farms Homestead. I'm April.
I'm Vince.
This is our official intro video to 2021 ShedWars. So we hope to have a big garden this year, but we are going to abide by the rules and only count the weight of what we will eat or preserve to eat through the winter time. We do have a big family, so we will have a big garden. We do have chickens, and I grew up raising a garden with my parents and grandparents, and I grew up on a farm. Vince did not. Vince is city boy, so he's kind of learning. We did have a garden last year. It did great. We all pitch in. My grandmother pitches in. She's not able to take care of a garden anymore, so she does help me with canning. She helps anytime we have green beans, she breaks them and strings them and does her part for the garden. So we're feeding a big family of 6 out of a garden. Most of the summer we eat what we can fresh, any extras we put up, but this year we hope to have 2 gardens, one here on our property and one at my parents' house where we're actually staying right now while we build our off-the-grid house.
As y'all can see, we still have a lot to do before we can have a garden. We got a long way to go and a short time to get there.
One day, this will be our pond. Hopefully we'll have fish in it to eat. So we're working on a fence. This is about 4 foot tall wire here. We've put in 10-foot posts. We're gonna put bob wire at the top, 2 to 3 strands. And in theory, the deer won't jump over it because it's so tall. We'll see. It may work and they may eat everything we plant. I don't know. But that hence we're having 2 gardens. So if they eat this one, we won't be at a total loss. We hope to share gardening tips and tricks with people so they can learn to grow some more food themselves and not rely on a grocery store. Game on, ShedWars 2021. We're coming for you.
See you later.
What are you doing?
That's what John from Will It Grow says.
No, not at all. Don't do that.
You gotta talk shit.
Oh no.